Hey, happy Wednesday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, looks like Microsoft is at it again. Looks like the Microsoft update KB5083769 is wreaking havoc out there. I have one Dell. It supposedly was affecting Dells, but mine rebooted and got back to the desktop. So, you know, it may be a lesser group of Dells that are having problems with it. Reports are some HP laptop or HP products as well. So, you know, that the standard stuff. Try system restore, startup repair, maybe reset the PC, or, you know, uninstall the KB5083769 and get it back to reboot if you're having trouble with that. Around the shop today, always something interesting. Today we're testing out the Pro 2050 300 channel Radio Shack scanner. You never know what you hear on you know, back channels for you know, various Alphabet City agencies. It's kind of interesting to you know, listen to them, especially when you're not on the main stuff, and they get to be a bit more chatty with each other. It was always very entertaining to listen to stuff on Monday mornings as they chase people around all day. All right, well, like I say, if that tests out okay, I'll list it for sale. I think I'm going to do a sale on the P15 Gen 2. This is that's an 11th Gen i7 quad core, 24 gigs of RAM, a 500 gig M.2, and this one does have the, let's see, the NVIDIA T500 4 gig GDDR6 discrete video. So, nice laptop. This is the P15S, so it's the slim version. I think I'm going to mark it down $50 to $700 plus tax, 90-day hardware warranty. So if you need a nice desktop replacement laptop, come by and see us. We've got some other ThinkPads in stock. They start at $600 and go from there. We have the ZBook on sale for $600 as well. Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road Suite 121, and we're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in, and by all means, subscribe to us over on the YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.